differentiate. So, product rule ang pwede dito. So, identify muna natin kung ano yung u. So, yung u ay yung negative 2x raised to 5 plus 4. At yung b ay ang second term na 2x raised to 4 plus 7x squared. So, yung u prime ay yung derivative ng u. So, 5 times negative 2 is negative 10x. Then, 5 minus 1 is 4. At yung 4, since constant yan, by the constant rule, ay ano na yan, 0 na yan. So, tatanggalin na natin yan. Yung b prime naman, ay yung derivative nito, 4 times 2 is 8. 4 minus 1 is 3. And then, 2 times 7, 14. And 2 minus 1 is x na lang or x raised to 1. So, ito na. Magsasubstitute na lang tayo sa formula doon. So, dito natin isulat. dy over dx is equal to, so yung u prime ay negative 10x raised to 4. Yung b, ito, 2x raised to 4 plus 7x squared. Then plus, baka di magkasya. Yung u natin is, ito, negative 2x raised to 5 plus 4. And then yung b prime, ito yun, b prime times 8x cubed plus 14x. Yun, pinagkasya lang natin. I-adjust natin muna para magkasya. So, multiply natin. Then, negative 10x raised to 4 times 2x raised to 4 is negative 20x raised to 8. Then, doon naman, negative 70x raised to 6 plus negative 2x raised to 5 times 8x cubed, negative 16x raised to 8. And dito naman, so negative 2 times 14x is negative 28x raised to 6. 4 times 8x cubed is positive 32x cubed. 4 times, yan, 14x. 4 times 4, 16 carry 1, 4, 5. 56x. So, yan. So, i-combine like, since addition lang naman yan, i-combine like terms natin. So, negative 20x raised to 8. So, tapat natin yung negative 16x raised to 8. So, i-cross out na natin yung na-combine like terms para di magulo. Then, negative 70x raised to 6 minus 28x raised to 6. And then, ito wala nang kapareho, plus 32x. So, negative 20 minus negative 16, negative 36x raised to 8. At ito naman, -98x raised to 6. Then, copy.